7 tips to keep blood sugars in control. Blood sugar levels can be influenced by many factors. Some of them are beyond our control, such as certain health conditions or a genetic predisposition to hyperglycemia. But in most cases, good daily health habits can play an important role in maintaining its healthy levels. Here are the 7 tips from experts. 1. Consume foods rich in chromium and magnesium. Hyperglycemia and diabetes have been linked to micronutrient deficiencies. Examples include deficiencies in chromium and magnesium, 2 minerals. Chromium is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates and fats. It can potentiate the action of insulin, thus helping to regulate blood sugar. Foods high in chromium include meats, whole grain products, fruits, vegetables, and nuts. However, the mechanisms behind this proposed link are not fully known, and studies report mixed results. Further research is therefore needed. Magnesium has also been shown to be beneficial for blood sugar. Also, diets rich in magnesium are associated with a significant reduction in the risk of diabetes. In contrast, low levels of magnesium can lead to insulin resistance and decreased glucose tolerance in people with diabetes. That said, if you already eat plenty of magnesium-rich foods and your blood magnesium levels are adequate, you probably won't see any benefit from taking magnesium supplements. Magnesium-rich foods include dark leafy vegetables, squash and pumpkin seeds, tuna, whole grains, dark chocolate, bananas, avocados, and beans. 2. Consume protein at every meal. In addition to contributing to the feeling of satiety, proteins, whether animal or vegetable, take a very long time to digest. They therefore ensure a gradual release of their energy and do not increase blood sugar. They even help to stabilize it by providing constant nutrients to the body over a significant period of time, up to 10 hours. The presence of protein in a meal therefore tends to lower the general glycemic index of this plate, while reducing the risk of cravings. For vegetarian proteins, consider eggs, dairy products, but also lentils, chickpeas, broad beans, dried beans, soybeans, quinoa, peas, lupin, buckwheat, nuts, whole grains. 3. Improve the quality of your sleep. Poor quality or limited sleep affects body chemistry, while longer sleep helps control blood sugar. Chronic lack of sleep may contribute to the risk of type 2 diabetes, according to a study published in Diabetologia in February 2015. Healthy volunteers who slept only 4 hours for 3 nights in a row had higher levels fatty acids in their blood, which reduced insulin's ability to regulate blood sugar levels by about 23%, the researchers found. Lack of sleep is also linked to other health problems, such as obesity, heart disease, and stroke. 4. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is a simple way to keep your blood sugar in check. A previous study found that the more water the study participants drank, the less likely they were to develop high blood sugar. Specifically, the study found that people who drank less than 1/2 liter of water a day had an increased risk of developing blood sugar issues. That is to say, water effectively helps to flush glucose out of the body. Having a glass of water can be really helpful in essentially diluting your blood sugar and lowering it in a healthy way. 5. Eat more fiber. It is well known that fiber slows the absorption of sugars into the blood. It also ensures good elimination of sugar on a daily basis. This is why it is essential to include them in your diet as much as possible according to your sensitivity. Some fragile intestines tolerate them less well than others. Choose cereals of the best quality and as natural as possible. Prefer whole wheat to white wheat, basmati or whole rice to round white rice. Think of protein pseudograins such as quinoa or buckwheat, and do not skimp on raw or cooked vegetables, which will also counter the inflammatory effects of an unbalanced diet. Some foods have specific glycemic regulation properties, such as wholemeal oats or mushrooms. 6. Physical exercise. Exercising is a quick and effective way to lower blood sugar levels. It makes the body more sensitive to insulin and can maintain healthy levels for up to 24 hours after exercise. Physical activity also causes the body to demand glucose for energy. As a result, the cells deliver glucose to the muscles, and blood sugar levels generally drop. For this to work, you need a form of exercise that gets your heart pumping faster than usual. This may include walking at a brisk pace. 7. Maintain a moderate weight. Being overweight is one of the main causes of insulin resistance, which prevents the hypoglycemic hormone from working properly. Maintaining a healthy weight therefore helps to have normal blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of developing diabetes. But your weight loss goals don't have to be huge either. It has been found that even slight weight loss can have a beneficial effect on glycated hemoglobin levels. A study published in the American Journal of Preventative Medicine found that modest weight loss, 5 to 10% of body weight, led to better insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance. It is thus seen that small steps in the right direction can yield big results in terms of improvement or prevention. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down below.